to my channel. Today is a very special and exciting video. I have a huge announcement for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my super simple and easy glass skin routine. I'm wearing it right now. And the reason why I'm so excited is because you guys can get this routine now. So a couple of weeks ago, Wishtrend reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to make my own skincare box. You guys, this is so crazy. This is my first ever collab with a brand. As you guys know, I love the Claire's products. Anything Dear Claire's, I have it. I used it. I use it on a daily basis, honey. So now you guys can get my simple skincare routine in a cute little box and at a discount. So let me show you guys. So basically, you guys are gonna get this box like this, and it's gonna be filled with all of my favorite products. Oh my god. And each product that I chose is a crucial step in my routine, so I'm really excited to show you guys today. The first product that I decided to include in my box is my favorite oil cleanser of all time. I used to use a lot of makeup wipes to take my makeup off, but I found that that really broke my skin out and dried it out and made it feel terrible. So I stopped using makeup wipes and I started using cleansing oils. I started experimenting with different cleansing oils, but my absolute favorite of all time is this one from Claire's. It is the Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil and it is amazing. This is legitimately the only cleansing oil that I can use and use on my eyes, and my eyes don't get all cloudy. You know when you like half blind after you use your cleansing oil? This don't happen with Claire's, girl. It is hands down the best cleansing oil on the market. My absolute favorite. I've gone through like 3 bottles of this already just because I love it that much. And the way that I use it is that I will use it at nighttime when I'm taking off my makeup, but I also use it in the morning time because it's a great gentle cleanser. So a lot of times in the morning I'll skip my foam cleanser and I'll just do my oil cleanser. And when I'm doing this in the morning, I'll take it on a cotton pad, which is also included in this package, the cotton pads from Claire's. They're really thin, great quality, easy to use. So all I have to do is just take just one, and then like 1 or 2 squirts of the cleansing oil, and I just wipe my face with it and I can see all the dirt coming off on the cotton pad, and it's just amazing. It's made with vegetable oils, and I believe this product is vegan as well. Speaking of, they're also having a vegan promotion right now on the website. So if you guys order now, then you'll also get the goodie bag with the vegan promotion. The next thing that I have in my cute little skincare package is a toner. I am obsessed with the Claire's Supple Preparation Toner. Oh my god. Legitimately, before this, I didn't really know what a toner was for, but basically we're going to balance out the pH of our skin with our toner after cleansing. This is my absolute favorite toner, guys. It is so moisturizing. It has a little bit of a thicker texture, which I really love. It's deeply moisturizing and soothing, and I believe anti-aging as well, which I need. Your girl's starting to age, okay? Don't look. And it's really great for sensitive skin types as well. With my toners, I like to just put it in my hands and just pat it on my face. I don't like to use a cotton pad, though you can, because the cotton pad's included. But I don't really like to use a cotton pad when I'm putting on my toner because I feel like I'm just kind of wasting the product. I want all of the effects. I want every last drop of the toner, okay? The next product I have, you've seen all over the internet probably. This is a very popular serum. It is the Claire's Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. So basically this is a brightening serum. It doesn't say it's a serum, but like I'll call it a serum. It just says it's a vitamin drop, whatever that means. If you're having any issues with discoloration, dark marks, acne scars, this is definitely for you. It's going to brighten the skin, make it glowy, make it fresh, and even out your skin tone. So ever since I started using this, my skin tone has gotten so much more even. I almost never wear foundation. The only only time you catch me wearing foundation is when I'm doing a makeup tutorial, pretty much. But otherwise, I'm never wearing foundation. I just put a little bit of concealer and I'm good to go because this product evens out my skin so much. I just like to put a drop. I just pat it all over my face. Instantly your face looks healthier, brighter, shinier. So I absolutely love the effects. This one I use a couple of times a week, but it's one of my go-to serums. Also included in the package, you guys are going to get a sheet mask. Sheet masks are so essential to my routine. This one in particular is the Rich Moist Soothing Sheet Mask. I really am in love with everything from the Rich Moist Soothing line. I don't have the serum included because, guys, it just would have been too expensive. But you know what? Who needs the whole serum when you got a sheet mask? What I do is I don't use a sheet mask every day because, girl, that's hella expensive. Though, really, if I could afford it, I would. So the package comes with 3 of these sheet masks. I usually use a sheet mask like twice a week. I love these particular sheet masks because they come in 2 sections. So there's a section for the bottom half of your face and a section for the top half of your face. So it fits all face shapes. I have a really small face, so I don't fit a lot of sheet masks, but this one, can't go wrong, honey. And this sheet mask in particular is a soothing sheet mask, so it's great for breakouts. I have a breakout on my forehead right now. It's actually painful to touch. This is really good for those kinds of pimples that are just like angry and red and painful. It's really gonna soothe the skin. I like to use these before makeup as well. Doing a sheet mask before makeup is going to make your makeup go on smoother, and it's going to make your skin not feel so dry throughout the day. Finally, my final step, the final step, my moisturizer. This is a daily moisturizer. It is the Rich Moist Soothing Cream. So once again, we getting rich and we getting moist, girl, yes. It's going to soothe your skin and it's gonna make all those breakouts feel a lot better. And I also feel like it makes them disappear a lot faster. I like to use this particular moisturizer in the daytime because it is super lightweight and it is a great prepping moisturizer for your makeup as well. So with all these 5 steps of my skincare, this is how I get this amazing glowy skin, guys. After I put on my skincare, if I'm just like going out to the movies with my friends or I'm going out on a date, I'll just put on some eyebrow gel, some mascara, maybe a little bit of cream blush and a lip gloss, and that's it. And that's all that I'm wearing right now, guys. I'm not wearing any foundation or concealer. So if you guys want to pick up my skincare routine and my box, I would really appreciate it. This is for you guys only. You guys are the ones that have the link. So if you go on the website and try to look for it, it won't be there. You have to click the link in the description box. It will take you to my curated skincare box. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm even saying this. So if you get all these products separately, it retails for about $92 or so, but my deal, girl, you can get it for $61.90. That's right, $61.90 instead of 92 doll hairs. Girl, come on. You better pick that up. And it's only for a limited time, guys. It's only gonna be up for a few weeks, so definitely get yours right away. It will be gone by forever. Make sure you guys get this limited deal as soon as you can. I really want you guys to be able to try all these products and at a discount. With the vegan friendly deal that they have going on right now, you get an extra free gift, girl. Like, there's no downside. I don't see one. I don't see one. And if you guys do decide to pick my skincare box up, please let me know in the comments below. DM me, send me a picture. I will be so hype. I'll even post it on my Instagram story. I love you guys so much.